Hi foodies, welcome back to Mock Meat Recipes episode number 2 where we explore delicious plant-based alternatives. And today let's make baby jackfruit chukka, a perfect side dish for your rice, dosas or rotis, and it tastes just like chicken chukka. Let's get started. In a pot, heat 2.5 cups of water and add 200 grams of cubed baby jackfruit along with a pinch of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. To know how to cut this baby jackfruit, check the video link in the description box. Cover and cook on medium heat for about 15 minutes or until the jackfruit becomes soft and tender. Meanwhile, in a clay pot, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. Sesame oil are just great for chukka dishes. Once the oil is hot, temper it with a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 to 4 dried red chilies, and a generous handful of chopped curry leaves. Let the fragrant spices infuse in the oil. Now it's time to add 2 finely chopped onions and saute until they turn a beautiful golden brown. For an even richer flavor, you can even substitute onions with a cup of chopped shallots. Once the onions are golden, stir in a heaped teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw aroma disappears. It's time to add salt to taste at this stage. Next, add 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, or adjust it according to your spice preference. Roast the spices for a few seconds. Then add 1 chopped tomato and saute until it turns soft and mushy. To prevent the masala from sticking to the pan, pour in half cup of water, just enough to cook the tomato thoroughly. This process takes around 5 minutes. Once the masala is well cooked, add the cooked jackfruit to the mixture. Stir everything together, ensuring the jackfruit is coated evenly with the flavorful masala. Cover the pot and let it simmer on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. This allows the spices to penetrate deeply into the jackfruit, enhancing its taste. And there you have it, your mock meat jackfruit chukka is ready. Garnish it with fresh cilantro and serve it hot with steaming rice, crispy dosas or even soft rotis. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more plant-based delights. See you in the next episode. Bye.